1320.
Mingle. It's my birthday and I cry if I want to. We're on our way to get my new present.
What's your new present?
Got new sails. Yeah. Gonna make a lap of the IJsselmeer today, Poppy.
Yep. That's what we're gonna do. Go across the Afsluitdijk on the way there. We'll come back across the Markermeerdijk on the way back.
Yeah. Yeah. Gonna be a quick lap. Look, and the sun is trying. What are you doing with my presents, Poppy?
Oh, you can unwrap your presents. You unwrap your presents then, Poopy.
That's my first pressie. Has to go in the front. My first present almost up.
Alrighty.
A little bit tighter, zegt hij.
Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, telltale.
And a rolled up pressie. Let's go for the second one. Or 2 pressie. 1 up. 1 more to go.
Spot, eh?
Mm-hmm. Exciting.
Fresh, exciting. She's so exciting to me. She's fresh, fresh, inviting.
Number 2. The Jibby. Jibby stormfokkie kind of thing.
How do you like your new jib?
Oh, that was my question for you. How do you like my new jib?
You have a very lovely jib. May I touch your jib?
You can touch my jib.
That's what she said.
You can touch it. Yeah, it doesn't hurt, Herman.
No, and if we need to, you see there's enough room at the top. You can always make that loose that at the underkant langer. En je kunt verder omhoog.
Mm-hmm. Third sail up. The mizzen. Now I have to measure for their lazy bags. I have to make now. New mizzen. Get it down. Number 4 up. It's getting there.
Yeah, getting there.
My 4th present's almost up. First sail up.
First sail up.
Go to the second one.
Second sail up.
Second sail up.
said, I can fix that.
Third sail up.
Oh, what's nice with that? Tell that. Want to steer it or take a picture?
Both. I can multitask.
Yeah, not very well though.
New sails. New sails, Boo.
New sail. Our classic configuration.
Yeah. Got another one to try. New sail 1. New sail 2. New sail 3 and 4. Birdies. Allemaal assholders. Yeah, lots of birds.
Leontien's studio. Sure, she cuts all of her big pieces of work and her big farts. Nah. 2 pieces.
Puzzle. I love puzzles.
Yes, you do.
Rollen. I pick my pistol and I shoot. See what I catch. What? Need some mesh in the bottom so the sail can breathe and water can get out. Next step, back 1 for the missing. Done. Let's try it tomorrow.
See if it fits.
See if it fits.
Looks good.
But it's still nice and clean now.
Yeah.
Going outside and
still
it's
clean.
wet,
It'll get
nasty.
Get all shitted up.
First fit the baggy bag. Vastring. Stackpack. It starts raining. Just finished on time. I made the boot from the old one.
Stackpacks.
It's now stacked on me.
Yeah. Boga!
Boga! Luckily, I sew on white stuff so you don't see the wiggling.
Ah. This is high intensity sewing here. Standing up is like acrobatic stuff.
Instead of you helping me.
I'm filming you. It's much more fun for me. I used to be a fairly good cameraman in my day.
When you were young and pretty.
Yeah, when I was young and pretty.
Get this there.
That's what she said.
Yeah. So, mainsail, stack pack. Done. Get the boot done. That's my sewing project done for this year, I think, hopefully.
Funny, they all kind of came out the same length.
Finishing touches of the lacy checks. Lacy cap done. See if the boot fits.
Putting on the lids.
Around the pool. Yep. And beautifully. Close the boot. Look, nice sky.
Something like that.
Just look at the sky.